I got a GoPro Hero 9 here. We're going to go ahead and set this up. Turn it on. First thing is select your language. Click on the check mark. Legal stuff. Got to agree to this. Capture the location where your video and photos are taken. Up to you. I'm going to go ahead and turn mine on. Install GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. So grab your phone, go to the App Store, and you want to download the GoPro app. It looks like this here. So mine's already installed here. Let me click on that. You can see I have my old GoPro 7, Hero 8 here. About to put the 9 in. Okay, so just go ahead and bottom left here, or bottom left. Just make sure that's tapped. You see the plus sign, top right hand side. Let's tap on that. Got to leave the GoPro on as well. Okay, so it's on. Connect camera. Let's tap on that. Bluetooth pairing request. Going to tap on pair. Oh, did something there. We will get an update too. Change camera name. I'm going to keep the default here. That's perfectly fine. Save new name here. And we should get some kind of a software update, which all the GoPros do. Okay, camera update. Okay, yeah, it's updating now. Now tap on update camera. All right, so this is the update here. You can see right there. And then we're going to go ahead and proceed. Tap on update. Got to accept all of this. Accept and continue. Searching for the camera here. GoPro wants to join Wi-Fi network. I'm going to go ahead and click on join. Okay, now it says transferring files to camera. And you can see the phone and the GoPro here. Okay, about 100%. Now the GoPro should be turning off and on a few times. All right, all set. Tap on done. Let's go. All right, there you go. We are in business. Pretty simple.